Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral link on Lyft. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your referral link on Lyft. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Lyft. Then click on You on the bottom right hand corner, then scroll down and click on Refer a Friend. So on this page here, you can see that you can actually refer a friend by clicking on the Refer a Friend to Ride program, and then click on Copy Link, or you can actually share it or share your invite code. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your referral link on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.